It's 3 a.m. Your phone is screaming. The dashboard is red. The page is yours. And you're staring at a blank terminal. Every operator knows this handoff. The old way is glue, not infrastructure. Cron on a sleeping laptop. Zaps that break on schema changes. No shared state. Claude Code Routines change that handoff. A save prompt, repos, and connectors that fire on schedule. API or GitHub events in the cloud while your laptop is closed. The 3 a.m. handoff is rewired. You wake up to a draft PR, not a blank terminal. 3 triggers, 1 routine. A single PR review routine can run nightly, fire from a deploy script, and react to every new PR. That changes who has to be awake. Before, babysitting cron jobs, waiting for a failure. And after, a routine already cloned repo and open the PR. So what is a routine anyway? Let's strip away all the hype and the crap. A routine is a saved Claude Code session that other systems can then call. It's a saved config, not a script. One or more clone repos, a common via MCP connectors, that's it. 4 parts, trigger set on top. It has 3 trigger type stacks: schedule, API, and GitHub. Mix any combo on the same routine without rewriting the prompt. Real cron, not a no-code dropdown. Hourly dailies, weekly presets. Custom cron through a schedule and update. Minimum interval is 1 hour. This is not your laptop running in disguise. So before, the local cron dies when your machine sleeps. After, cloud session keep running while your laptop is closed. Routines can run autonomously. No permission prompts during the run whatsoever. The CLI is definitely the fastest for a setup. The web is where you stack the API and the GitHub triggers. And the no prompt part matters big time because interactive Claude can ask before tool calls. A routine cannot. The prompt has to carry intent end to end. But where does the money live? The docs ship 6 example use cases. Every single one can become a retainer line. So, backlog, alert triage, code review, deploy and verify, doc drift, the library port. Alert triage is the actual killer demo though. Post to /fire with a token and text body. The routine clones, reads, correlates, and opens a PR or a pull request. Deploy verifications is what the CDOs buy first. After every production deploy, scan logs and posts, go or no go. Code review is definitely a high margin. Filter by author, titles, labels, branches, draft state, merge state, and doc drifts is definitely easy to sell because you can scan merge PRs, flag stale docs, and open up PRs. The library port is for SDK shops. Merge PR in one language triggers a port in another. Each one is a billable line. Before, vague AI consulting hourly. Now after, 1 routine, 1 repeatable outcome, 1 monthly retainer. Stack 2 or 3 per client, and margin grows exponentially. How do you sell it though? What's the pitch? The first routine is a pilot. The second one is a business. So for the first week, pilot on yourself. Weeks 2 and 3, show 1 client the morning Slack result, or whatever else you have. And then week 4 plus, stack the triggers. Sell line 2. Connectors are the multiplier. And go do one for yourself right now. Claude Code Routines, over 1 session, 1 schedule, and then just get it done.